Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Beautybyada here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to do this box braid on an 1-inch hair. Like this hair, you guys, this hair wasn't even up to 1 inch, or let me just say a 1-inch hair. So I'm not going to be doing much talking, but I'm definitely going to be showing you all what I'm doing. So this is my shine and jam. Like you all know, if you're in this channel, this is what I normally use. And then I had the packs of hair. And if you're hearing this voice for the first time, please do make sure that you subscribe and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any upload from me. You all already know how it works. This channel is all about makeup, hair, you know, everything beauty and lifestyle, so you guys should just tune in. Thank you so much to my subscribers who are always coming back. I really do appreciate you all. Thank you so much for always tuning in. And if you're new here, you're opening this video and you're just hearing this voice for the first time, please click on that subscribe button and click on the notification bell. So I can see I started off by parting her hair. This when you part the hair, it doesn't look as neat as this. So what I do is I put on my gel, and then it makes it easier and the hair neater to part. So that is basically what it is. I always use the shine and jam. Like, it's the best product out there so far, the one that I know of. You know, the shine and jam is the best product that I know of for now, unless they have something else out there, but I don't know. But if you have any other one better than this, you can leave a comment in the comment section and let me know so I can also try that out. So you always see me before while parting my hair, I like applying the shine and jam, and that makes your part neater. So you can see what I am doing, trying to braid to grab a 1-inch hair isn't that easy to do, but you know, we did it. So, and I have been doing her hair even since when it was like way shorter than this. So I have been doing her hair, and I just noticed her hair is like growing out. So I'm really impressed by her hair growth, and I know that the treatment I am using on her hair is really working. So that's really great. I'll be making a video on hair growth. You know, this hair growth thing, it's more like what most people struggle with hair growth. Even my daughter, when I had her, she was bald. She didn't even come out with any hair. I thought it was just like, you know, the normal baby thing. They don't just come out with hair and then later on it will grow out. But the first year she didn't have anything, nothing was coming out. Second year, nothing was coming out. And you know, when that happens, you just need to devise a means. And once I found this product, I can't believe how good it worked. So I'll be making a video on that. So if you want to see that video, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss any upload, and you don't want to miss that video because it's going to be very educative, and I'm going to be giving you guys all the tea. And guys, if you're here and you want to, this channel is my beauty channel. I also have another channel, vlogs with Ada, where I do more of lifestyle, mom life, you know, kids, family and everything, cooking and everything. So if you want to do that, I will leave the link in the description box below so you can go subscribe to that channel and watch and enjoy. I promise you, it's so fun there on that channel. Because here, what I do here is basically makeup and hair, everything beauty, and you know, beauty tips and everything. So, but if you want to see more of me, family and everything, please go subscribe to that channel and click on the notification bell as well so you don't miss any upload from us. So guys, this is it. I am done here, and then I will be taking out the stray hairs. I'll be checking the hair for stray hairs, and I'll be taking that out. After I take that out, I go ahead and dip the hair in hot water, and after doing that, I go ahead and apply my mousse, and that will be it. And look at how neat her hair came out to be. Like, I wasn't expecting that, but you know, that's what we do. So if you want more of this video, subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.